Welcome to this 17th video in TTL-I, focusing on the Assure method, a blueprint for meaningful technology integration in teaching and learning. Let's get started. The 21st century classroom is a dynamic ecosystem. The challenge is not just using technology, but integrating it purposefully to enhance every student's learning experience. The guiding principle for purposeful technology integration is fostering the 4 C's: communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. Today's Innovators Toolkit includes virtual reality, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, 3D printing, and biometrics. These tools offer new possibilities for education. Having innovative technology is only the first step. Effective integration requires a structured approach to ensure technology serves pedagogy, not the other way around. This is where a framework is essential. We introduce the Assure model, a 6-step instructional design framework that guides technology selection and use to enhance learning outcomes. Assure stands for Analyze, State, Select, Utilize, Require, and Evaluate. We will now walk through the Assure model using a real-world case study, an English grammar lesson on singular and plural nouns for 35 10-year-old students. Step 1. Analyze learners. We examine general characteristics, entry competencies, and learning styles. Our class has varied learning styles, requiring a multimodal approach. Step 2. State objectives. We define what students must know, do, and value by the end of the lesson. These cover cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domains. Step 3. Select media, materials, and methods. We choose the best tools, including a computer, projector, and video clip for technology, whiteboards for traditional tools, and a blend of direct instruction and group work. Step 4. Utilize media and materials. This involves 4 key steps: previewing materials, preparing the tools and environment, and preparing the learners by setting clear expectations. Step 5. Require learner participation. Strategies include an engaging, interactive introduction, collaborative learning through group work, and shared accountability to ensure active engagement. Step 6. Evaluate and revise. Assessment includes formative observation and a performance-based evaluation. Revision and reinforcement provide immediate feedback and rewards. In this example, the Assure blueprint demonstrated a plan where technology was integral, meeting the needs of diverse learners and achieving lesson objectives effectively. Technology in education is about effective pedagogy. The Assure model provides a reliable blueprint to design truly enhanced learning experiences. What will you assure in your next lesson? Here's a quick summary of what we have covered today. Have a pause and take a shot. See you on the next one.